Hello everyone, welcome to a new ICP from Big Data Programming, which is about Apache Scoop, ICP5. In this ICP, I will jump direct to these steps that we have did. First of all, we have to do the installation for having Scoop and MySQL storage installation. We use this command MySQL to be Cloudera. After the installation, we use a Scoop to import and export MySQL tables to HDFS. So step by step for that, for step one, we listed the database already in MySQL. We create tables in that database. As you can here, we create a table called Orgrency, and then we create a table called students as well. And then we show the data. After that, step two, we create a new database named database1, which is after we create a new database that showing database1, which is I want to show in a bit. After that, step number three, we set the created database as my current database called database1, and then create a new tables called student. After we created new tables called student, we create we insert some data into the student table, and for that, we bring the table and make sure that the values are inserted that we insert for the student table. As you can see here, they set some data in there, and those are the tables and data one, as you can see. So and those are the students that are listed in the table called student. So far we have the two tables, the urgency and the student tables, and this is the information for the students that's shown in the table. And then after that, we have our tables in MySQL, and now we need to push it to HDFS using Scoop. So we use Scoop import contact a command for that, and then we checked in push to folder HDFS, and then we print the content inside the the pushed files. As you can see here, this is the pushed files in here. Okay, so after that, we create a new tables called student exported from Hadoop, which is I already created that. Sorry, I already showed you that in the area. The tables called student in that database, and after that, we the last task was to create Hive tables using Scoop import, and we used Hive, as you can see here. The first query the first query was statistics queries, which is we have used Hive. So for that, we use this command, analyze tables urgency compute statistics, which is querying statistics queries, as I mentioned, which is statistics in the discipline that concerns the collection, organizing, analysis, description, and the presentation of data in applying statistics on to a scientific, industrial, or social problem. For the query 2, we did the word count queries, which is we used this command, which is select word count 1 as count from. We use this command for the word count queries, and as you can see here, this is the word count queries for showing that. And for query number 3, we are identifying pattern queries. Pattern queries, we used for that we use this command for that, which is select. As you can see, those are the data from the tables that we showed. We export from HDFS, and then this is the last query. We use this command for last query, which is about identifying pattern queries, which is skill pattern matching allows you to search for patterns in data. If you don't know the exact word of phrase you are seeking this kind of skill, then use wildcat characters for that. And that's what it's showing. That's all right about this ICP. For more details, please visit my wiki page. There is my the GitHub link. There's a PDF file, more details and more screenshots about all the commands we use for this ICP. Thank you so much for watching.